The city of San Diego wants to spend $520 million to expand the convention center downtown. It plans to pay for most of it by charging tourists as much as a 3% tax on their hotel stay. But in California, a tax is never really just a tax. Joining me to talk about whether this new tax needs to go to a public vote is San Diego City Attorney Jan Goldsmith. Thank you for being here.
Pleasure.
So this tax is expected to raise about $13 million a year. Right now, only hotel owners are scheduled to vote on this. What is it in our Constitution and the law that says that may not be legal? It may have to go to a greater public vote.
Well, Proposition 13, that's what it is. It's in our Constitution, and it says before you impose a tax or you increase taxes, you put it up to a vote of the qualified voters, and the people are supposed to vote on it.
Two-thirds majority, right?
Two-thirds majority.
So I want to play a clip for you from our January 25th show. Now, this is Steve Cushman. As you know, he's the liaison to the mayor on this convention center expansion. And I just want to set it up. So the question that he is responding to, I ask him, I say, some say the new tax may not be legal. Now, here's his response.
We believe, using the Mello-Roos tax basis, that it is 100% legal. Obviously, there will be a validation action. The city has said that they will do, so everybody will have an opportunity to go to court, and somebody in a black robe will say, yes, it's okay, or no, it isn't. We believe that it will hold up, and it will hold up in court.
Mello-Roos, which is why some of us pay additional taxes to live in certain neighborhoods. So I want to pick up on the term 100% legal. Does that language surprise you?
Yes, actually it does, but I've been getting this feedback, and I don't want to pick on Steve, but around town, that this is a done deal. And we have never said that. From day one, we've said, hey, there's a Proposition 13 issue here. And the response is that this structure was used up in San Jose. Now, what is the structure? The structure normally for a tax increase is that you put it to a vote of all the public, in a public vote of all the voters in San Diego. Here it's a little different. It's only hotel properties. And so the tax would be on hotel properties, and they're the ones who vote, and then you get two-thirds of that approval, and there's a tax. It borrows a little bit from Mello-Roos, but it's not exactly Mello-Roos. It's different, and there's a way the taxes are calculated based upon number of units or rent. Collection of from the hotel renters. It's a little different than San Jose, but San Jose did have a similar plan, and the similar plan was approved by a judge. And so the proponents said, we think we can do this in San Diego. In fact, they brought down the San Jose lawyer. He's from San Francisco, but he did that project. And we asked him, well, about the project and all that, and we did our own legal research. And the lawyer said, when we asked, can you give us a legal opinion, he said, no, I'm going to give you a legal opinion. We're not going to give an opinion as to legality. And then we did our research, and we said, well, neither will we, because we either give opinions yes, no, or maybe. This is a maybe. It was approved in San Jose by a judge, but there wasn't any opposition. A lot of issues weren't raised. And down here, we already have lawyers who are raising those issues. We've been very clear that this is one of those maybe issues, so that it's unclear.
I want to step in here because you say, first, a couple things. Lawyers who raising those issues. We know that we even spoke with the head of the union representing the hotel workers. They're one group that says, hey, we possibly may sue. Also, I know that you sent out this last week, it's a response saying that you are filing a validation. You can finish that term for me. About okay. It's a legal process, right? A lawsuit to find out.
We sent out this update. This is
right.
Our newsletter. We send it out about once a week or so on issues that we think are interesting. It doesn't contain really new matter. It just puts an exclamation point on something that we think is being lost. And in this case, we came out very clearly and said this is one of those maybes. The law's not clear. The plan is to file a validation lawsuit in which we take this plan and we put it before a judge before we raise taxes and say, is this legal? They did that in San Jose. There was no opposition. The judge approved it. In San Diego, there's going to be, according to what they've said, opposition. and it's going to be up to the judge. I've been in that black robe that Steve has talked about, and I've heard validation actions, and I've done my own research with my research attorney, and I've given opinions. It will be the same thing in this situation. I wanted to make sure, and our office wanted to make sure, that people understand and that we don't get this misinformation out there. And it's not just from Steve, but others. Oh, this is a done deal. It's not. People should go in this with their eyes open. We are looking at we're testing the boundaries of the law.
When will you have, though, the result of this?
Well, it's another thing we point out. This is lawsuits, and things don't happen quickly. We will likely file the validation action in May, and if there's opposition, then it will be briefed. There'll be hearings. There'll be decisions. There'll be continuances. The validation action in San Jose, the decision was reached in about a year after the plan was approved.
We haven't got a lot of time left. Okay, we have not got a lot of time left, but I just want to get this on the record now that the hotel owners are voting in April. This is the mayor's final year in office. There seems to be this sort of path that we're going to get this done. If we don't hear from this for a year, finally, what happens? Can they start this project before they hear the result of that validation lawsuit?
No. We're testing the boundaries of the law. We're not going to violate the law. I'm okay with my client testing the boundaries of the law, but we're not going to go so far as to collect taxes and start building. No way. However, there's an easier way to do it, and we pointed out in our update. I mean,
go to the people.
We are not saying this is illegal.
Yeah.
We're saying it's a maybe, and we're willing to test it. But if you want something that's reliable and legally reliable, then you go to the people like any other tax under Prop 13.
We'll have to leave it there. Jan Goldsmith, thank you so much for being here.
It's my pleasure.